Hello everyone, I'm Kunal Sodhani from Global Trading Center, Shinhan Bank, India, and we are here to understand what's happening on the global factors, trends, and analysis on the domestic front and our views on several currency pairs. So, if we talk about the domestic factors and the FPI flows for the month of January has been negative to the tune of 78,000 crores, which is a big outflow which we see. Also, if we talk about the debt flows, they have been negative to a tune of 3,500 crores roughly. So, all in all, if we talk about till Feb, even till yesterday, the outflows have been to the tune of around 82 to 83,000 crores. So, flows perspective, still not certain. A lot of uncertainties when it comes to policy framework from both US as well as India. If we also talk about the reserves, that is the FX reserves, we did see a spike towards $629 billion, thanks to FCAs that has been a bit volatile, in terms of the appreciation or depreciation, which is helping. But yes, there is definitely some kind of shallow intervention which have been seen as well, though we have crossed 87 now for dollar rupee pair. If we talk about global factors, I think it's important to note that there has been the tariff war which has started. Trump has already announced tariffs on China of 10%, which is ongoing, where retaliatory measures from China for several sectors on US has been also taken on their imports. While for Mexico and Canada, they did announce taxes, but the tariffs and these tariffs were reversed also for a month. But I think this chatter of tariffs may be on and off, which will make markets volatile, nervous. At the same time, it may give a boost towards currency pairs. So I think it will remain certain for the entire month per se. That's what I personally believe. While on the policy front now, because of these uncertainties prevailing, it leads to further inflationary pressure. And when it leads to further inflationary pressure, Fed may take some time to cut rates. So for the month of March, we are not expecting any rate cut from Fed. We are eyeing straight away. It may be possible only in May or June. So at that point in time. While if we talk about the RBI policies after the liquidity measures which they had taken in the past, in terms of OMOs, VRR, as well as the buy-sell swaps, after that, I think the liquidity obviously still remains tighter. But on the policy front, we expect a 25 basis rate cut. I think that may further. It's a debatable thing where there are two sides of it where people not expecting. At the same time, some side of people are expecting a rate cut where we are of the opinion of a 25 basis rate cut in this Fed policy itself. RBI is very clear about two things. One, they are not following any economies or any patterns which used to happen in the past. Secondly, when it comes to the intervention strategy, also, yes, shallow intervention has been seen, but they are very clear about the fact that demand and supply will drive the currency pair. If Asian currencies have been depreciating, INR can be no exception. So it's a clear mindset. Even the finance secretary has been of the same opinion that it will derive its own value, that is rupee. So considering that, it's the range will still remain 86 half, probably acting as a base at this point in time, while 87.60 levels can be tested. Pressure may continue to remain at lower levels. If we talk about dollar index, it did touch 109.90 odd levels, reversed back sharply sub 108 once again. But if we talk about the charts, it's suggesting that 107.20 acts as a very strong support for the dollar index. I think that can be a good range play where people can go long on if the dollar index hovers around 107.20, 107 half, towards once again moving up towards 109 levels. So that's something important to watch. Brent crude prices have been in a very narrow range, 75 to $78 per barrel is what they are trading into. Chinese yuan remains important to watch out. They did cool off sharply, but then again they started weakening towards 7.33, 7.34 levels, where 7.37 acts as a very crucial resistance to watch out. For dollar rupee, as we said, if we talk about a narrow range, then 86.80 to 87.29 remains the range. But if we talk about a broader range for the entire month, then 86 half acts as a very good base, while 87.50, 87.60 levels can be seen. So that's all from my side, friends. Thank you so much for your time. Hope you found our analysis insightful. Thank you.